Welcome to the Potter training video for P-Link devices. This video explains the setup and configuration of various devices, with details on device settings, functions, and installation considerations. The LCD annunciator represents the display and keypad interface for both the RA6500R and RA6075R models, as well as the built-in annunciators on control panels. Selecting Add Device creates a new row with fields for a custom name, address, and a read-only option. The address must match the physical address set on the annunciator. When the read-only checkbox is selected, the keypad functions are locked, and the LCD screen mirrors the built-in keypad display. The SLC loop screen displays the built-in signaling line circuit. Selecting Add Device creates a new row with fields for a custom name, protocol, address, and circuit class. The protocol drop-down defaults to PAD, which is used with a PAD 100 SLCE card. The NOMI protocol should be selected when using the SLCE 127 card. The address drop-down includes options for internal and addresses 1 through 31, which must match the physical address set on the corresponding SLC module. The built-in SLC always reports as loop 0, while any additional SLC loops will report to the central station using their assigned addresses. The class dropdown allows you to specify whether the circuit is configured as Class A or Class B for that specific SLC loop. The IDC6 is an initiating device circuit card that provides up to 6 additional mappable points, primarily used with 2-wire smoke detectors. Selecting Add Device adds a new row for the IDC6 module, which includes a custom name field, an address field, and class-style dropdowns for circuits 1 to 2, 3 to 4, and 5 to 6. The card supports regular input types as well as additional point types for conventional heat and smoke detectors. The conventional smoke detector input can be used in alarm verification mode, similar to photoelectric detectors or the smoke detector elements of Potter multi-sensor detectors. When the conventional smoke detector type is selected, the circuit will power 2-wire smoke detectors. The DRV50 is an LED driver module that supports up to 50 user-configurable LEDs and 6 system-level LEDs, which are non-programmable. The system-level LEDs include power, earth fault, silenced, alarm, supervisory, and trouble. Selecting Add Device creates a new row with custom fields for the name and address. The LEDs will appear at the bottom of the points list. These LEDs can be assigned various function types, including those specific to fire service access elevators. Smoke Control Systems functions becomes available when using the DRV50 with the IPA series of panels. General-purpose LEDs will follow the rules of the zone they are in, while zone trouble LEDs will only activate if a point in the same zone enters a trouble condition. The LED16 is a 16-zone LED annunciator. Selecting Add Device generates a new row with custom fields for the name and address, along with a checkbox for read-only. When the read-only checkbox is selected, the silence and reset buttons are locked. The LEDs will automatically be assigned names in the points list corresponding to the banks of LEDs on the front of the annunciator. The alarm and supervisory LEDs can only be assigned the general-purpose output function, while the trouble LED can only be assigned the zone trouble output function. The RLY5 is a relay module that supports 5 dry contact programmable relays, each with a contact rating of 3 amps at 24 VDC or 125 VAC. Selecting Add Device generates a row with custom fields for the name and address. These relays will appear at the bottom of the points list and can be assigned the same functions as an SLC-based relay. Smoke control functions are available when using the RLY5 with IPA series panels. For more information on the relay functions, please see the points video. The SPG1000 is a serial parallel gateway for real-time event logging to a printer. Selecting Add Device generates a row with custom fields for name, address, and settings. In the parallel settings, selecting the event printing enabled checkbox logs system events to a connected printer via the DB25 connector. The Supervise out-of-paper checkbox monitors the printer's out-of-paper status, and the Supervise offline checkbox monitors the printer's offline status. The offline time sets how long the offline condition lasts before triggering a trouble signal. In the serial settings, selecting the event printing enabled checkbox logs events to a printer via the DB9 connector. The events printed as XML checkbox formats the logs in XML for remote systems. The Supervise port checkbox monitors the DB9 connection for a printer or computer, and the offline time sets how long the connection can be offline before a trouble condition occurs. The baud rate defaults to 9600 and can be adjusted, while the flow control, data bits, parity, and stop bits dropdowns configure the communication settings. Refer to the connected printer's specifications for proper settings. The FIB1000 is a fiber interface bridge module that converts the P-Link circuit from copper to fiber optic cable, or from fiber back to copper. Selecting Add Device generates a row with custom name, address, and class dropdown for selecting Class A or Class B. The highest address this device can be assigned is 30, as the modules are installed in pairs. For more information about Potter products, please visit our website at pottersignal.com. To access additional training resources, check out our online training portal at academy.pottersignal.com. Stay connected with us on social media for the latest updates and news.